Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing how I prepare my budget friendly egusi stew with spinach. So for ingredient I have some dry fish, spinach, palm oil, already blended egusi, goat meat, onion, garlic, ginger, chili and fresh tomatoes. To start off, I'll bring the washed meat to fire. Then I will get some seasoning into it. So I have complete seasoned peri-peri, cumin, basil, rosemary. Then I will add in some blended onion, garlic, ginger. I will add salt. Then give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover it to steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I would add some water to the meat and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes or when the meat is tender enough. I will now start to make my stew. So in a pan, I'll pour some palm oil, allow it to heat up. Then I'll go ahead and add in my roughly blended onion, garlic, ginger, chili, and fresh tomatoes. Give it a quick stir. Then I'll add in some bay leaves. I will allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. This might take lesser time because there was no water added to the ingredient whilst blending. After 10 minutes, I will add in the dry fish. So I washed this dry fish with warm water and removed most of its bones. So next, I will go ahead and mix my already blended egusi with some water, not too much, just a little. Give it a quick stir. Then I'll go ahead and add some salt to it. Give it another stir. Then I'll add in 1 egg. So that's my way of cooking my egusi. Give it another stir. Then I will set it aside. Back to the stew, I will add in the boiled meat, give it a quick stir, then cover it to cook for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'll give a quick stir, then now add in the egusi mixture. Then after adding in the mixture, I will cover the stew to cook for about 10 minutes. So in between the 10 minutes, I have to check to ensure that the stew is not burning. So after 5 minutes, I will give it a quick check. Then I will go ahead to add in some shrimp seasoning, some crayfish, then some salt. Give it a quick stir, then cover to cook for about 2-3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will now go ahead to add in the spinach. So this spinach is already washed in salt water and chopped. I will add in all the chopped spinach. Then I will cover the pan to boil for just a minute. After a minute, I will now go ahead to stir in the spinach with the egusi. I will stir it thoroughly and ensure that everything is properly mixed well. After which, I will allow the egusi with spinach to cook for just 2 minutes. So I have decided to make some pounded yam to enjoy with my egusi spinach stew. After 2 minutes, my budget-friendly egusi with spinach is all ready to be enjoyed. Guys, if you realize I did not add too much meat into my egusi because I'm actually a fish person. But for the purpose of this video, I needed to add in a bit of goat meat. So you can feel free to add any protein of your choice and the quantity. So this is the result of my egusi. I've already molded my pounded yam. I'm going to dish some out and enjoy myself. Oh, this food looks inviting, it looks appetizing, and I can bet you on the taste. Thank you guys again for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I come your way with another video, please do stay safe. Bye.